Hello, my name is Agnes, in case you're new to this channel. So I normally do crochet tutorials for like clothing, wearables, but it is 8th of December and I want to make some gifts for my nephews and my son for Christmas. I am very late. I should have done this long time ago, but this is what I have the time that I have, and I'm thinking of doing a rabbit for the youngest, and I want to take you along with me. It's not going to be a tutorial because I don't have the time to shoot the tutorials, and I am making this rabbit using someone's tutorial. So I'm following a tutorial and I hope it will turn out as cute as it looks in the tutorial. I'll be using Kira yarn from Volido and a 2.0 millimeter hook. That's a very small hook, so that's going to take me some time. Today I have to go to work later around 5 and it is 1, so I have a few hours, of course, mixed with housework everywhere here and there. So let's see what I can crochet before I go to work at 5. So come along with me. So this is what I have so far, and I changed my hook size. I'm using a 3.0 millimeter hook and 2 strands, so it was so thin and I thought that will take so long, so I changed it. And yeah, so let's see. One hour later since I started, because I had started with 1 strand and then I changed it, but yeah, so I'm working on the head and it's single crochets. I started with 6 single crochets and then kept increasing 6 stitches on every row. This is where we are now. It's 3 p.m. This is what I have so far. Watching a Christmas movie. Yeah, so let's see if I can do a few more rows on this head. It really looks big, you know. I doubled my yarns, and yeah, it's going to be a big rabbit. So it's time to put in the filling, and I was almost having a heart attack because I couldn't find it. I last used this last year, so that's too much, I guess. So just gonna fill it in like so. So I made some reductions and then now it's time to fill and then continue reducing. Oh, my son is back from school and okay, he's got this little dance that I need to prepare him for, Christmas dance for kids, so let me do that. Coming. So I'm ready for work and I need a Red Bull because I'll be doing 3 hours. And in case you're curious, what does she do? I work as, what do they call it? I know it in German. Kellnerin? Waitress in English. Ooh, I work as a waitress, I think once or twice a week. That depends. So sometimes, like this week, I'm only working once and I only do about 3 hours maximum. Yeah, 3 hours, sometimes maybe 4 hours. So yeah, and basically I do that just to practice my German. If you live in Germany and you're not a native, you know how hard it is to learn the language. So I've been in school. If you don't practice, it's really hard. It's because I stay home or most of the time, and in the house we speak English. So everything I learn in school, if I don't practice it, I will never learn the language. So for that 3 hours or 6 hours in a week, I get to interact with my colleagues and of course the guests, and yeah, practice a little bit with this. Yeah, so I'm done with the head. I just need to now start, I think, on the legs when I come back later in the night. Yeah, so we did this in 3 hours, and that is slow because I crochet faster, but if I'm following a tutorial, it's always slow because you need to, yeah. So this is where I work. Yep, so And cozy, let's go. Time check, it's midnight. Yeah, so now it's already the 9th, and I have these 2 legs done. I did this in like 40 minutes or so. So I'm going to join this, make the body, and continue the rest in the morning. So I'll see you then. So I'm done with the body. I think I only did today, I only did like an hour. It's still the 9th. So I'm gonna go and make some dinner, and I'll come back to, I think the little, is it arms? Do rabbits have arms? I don't know, those other parts apart from the legs. So I'll come back to that later. So this is what we're having today. We are vegetarians for the day. I think this is the only time we are not eating meat or anything related to that. So I use HelloFresh because. So do any of you struggle with the question of what are we eating today? This used to be so stressful for me. Like every day I have to ask, what are we going to eat today? We turned to HelloFresh, and for, I don't know, for months we've been ordering food for the week. We order for 6 days because maybe one day or two we have to go out and eat. So 6 days, they deliver on Saturday, and then everything is measured. To have the stress of trying to measure things or trying to think of what to eat. And this is not an art, really. It's not an art. I just love it. It makes my life easier as a mom, and I just love it. So food for the day, and that I have potatoes in there cooking, and I'm going to prepare these vegetables, and I love that they have recipes for the Thermomix. I love that. I lost my eyes. I misplaced them, a whole box, and I thought, oh, go to Mullah's, maybe you might find some. Unfortunately, there's no eyes, so I thought these were eyes, but I guess it's buttons or something. So I'll have to order on Amazon. That takes some days, and yeah, very unfortunate.
And send it back on my account, and you know, you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
And I'm not.
Because it's more. I think the overall quality is better for if you have a heavy duty cleaning process. So, we'll get these things from the market.
The coach for Bayern, I mean for Dortmund. It's coming along. It's coming along. So I already have one arm done. Now I put the other arm and then I attach the ears and I will be done. So we are done and this is how it looks. I think it turned out cute. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Yeah? Do you think he will like it? It's a baby, but you know, yeah. I don't know. I think it's cute. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so while I was waiting for these eyes to arrive from Amazon, I had time, so I made this balaclava. I don't know if you can see it like this, and I think it's cute. I'm wearing it halfway. I'm from a long walk with my son, and this kid had the audacity to tell me he will not go with me unless I take this off my head. Like, it's 2 degrees outside, it's very cold. He told me, no, you look funny, I'm not going with you, take it off. And you know, I just had to wear it like this, like a hoodie or something, so that he's not embarrassed. I'm not embarrassing him, so kids can be weird. But I think it's cute. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Do you think he was right? It looks funny, or okay, I don't like to wear it like full like this because I like to leave like my hair out like this. I think it looks cute. I don't know. I thought it's cute. So also, while I was waiting for the eyes, I made this jacket. I added some crochet aspect to it and I think it looks cute. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. It was plain black, so yeah, just like this, and then I added a little detail and I think I like it. Yeah, and I thought I was going to do more gifts, but it's almost, I don't know, it's like 8 days to Christmas and I am over it. So like every other Christmas, I always promise myself to do more crochet gifts and I end up doing 1 or 2, so I'm not surprised I only did 1. So yeah, thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you in the next video, I guess, which might be a tutorial. So bye.